So today's going to be a bit different. Today we're going on a rally.
Hello, welcome to Jerry Motorsport. I'm Jerry. Let's get started.
Today's the day that we do a tabletop rally. So it's not actually going out in the car, unfortunately. But it is a good opportunity to practice some of the skills that we use on Naviscats, which we have done, and we're probably going to try one of those as soon as we can. The tabletop rally starts today at 10 o'clock. We get our route guide, call it what you will. Start off fairly easy and get harder and harder, and the points go up as well. Obviously the person with the most, or the team with the most points is the winner, and I'm going to be doing it with my son. If we ever did rallying, it could come in quite handy. So it's not the usual grid references and things like that. It is things like road numbers, spot heights, crossing of grid lines, following rivers, following power lines. So we're going to give it a go. Never done one before. We'll see how this pans out. 10 o'clock. Come on.
Don't keep refreshing.
Should just come. Come on, it's 2 minutes past now.
Yeah, right.
10 a.m. on Sunday. 10 a.m. on Sunday, Philip. Oh, Philip, novice instructions. Welcome to the Inter-Registers Tabletop Rally. I enclose your route instructions and the questions. Also enclose a list of entrants. Right, so Tabletop Rally. Section 1, grid hopping. Starting from Warnham Station in 1734 Square.
We're at, I don't know.
1734.
One station.
Right, 17, 34, 34, so you're crossing grid lines. 16, you're following a road that's crossing these grid lines. 33, 15, 33,
30.
crossing there,
29.
here,
And the neighbourhood school, infill manor.
Infill Manor School.
10.
10 posts, right, next one,
Next station, 36, 35. What was it called?
Kingscote Station, hang on, there. So starting from Kingscote Station, 36 35, 139. Right, so these are probably spot heights. There's 139, see? Okay. 159.
I wouldn't panic guys, because you've got 2.5 hours.
Yeah, 159, there. Okay. 144. So you're travelling down that road. 144 there, so you're still on the yellow road. 145. So the first few questions don't actually seem too bad. Got through them fairly quickly. Started to get very hard. It wasn't so obvious that you were going the right way. You were doubting yourself a little bit more. Earlier ones, you definitely knew you were in the right place. Everything tied up. You got to the end. You got the right answer. It was really obvious. As we neared the time, about 10 minutes to go, we'd answered just about everything but 2 questions and a couple of the tiebreakers. Section 14, starting from the public house in grid line 3641. There's no public house in the grid line. But you can't go north.
Hang on.
The spot line.
Hang on.
So we're pretty sure up to 56, 37 we're here. 37, 38. Can you cross 38 if you've gone on that road? East, southeast. Just got a measure of it. We can just sort of see that one we got, and it's a 12-point question, so we might get the next one. So we did section 15, starting from 066 and a half. That's all the way over here somewhere. Here. Oh my gosh, right up here. Follow the line through 64. So that's down
there. No, I can't go that way. 8, 10, 11.
Oh, I didn't see his tiebreaker questions at the end. Well, I can't work out this next one.
My brain people.
His brain be puff. So, the last ones look a bit tricky. Brain's mush. You lose points for every minute you're late. So we put our answers in. And then because we were quite intrigued about the two that we didn't get, we all sort of had to sit around and try and work out how to do it.
3745. Public house here.
Okay.
West. Because it's junctions, it doesn't really work for. 45. 49. Crossing the line. Woohoo! Poet for the notes.
We did it quite quickly once we worked out what was going on. We just submitted the answers really for our own satisfaction. We stuck the answers into these questions, not expecting to get any points. Fortunately, the organisers said that they would include it. We were 12 minutes late, but had gained 24 points by doing those, which gave us a bit more to our total.
Drink break.
The organisers then score everybody's answers and come back with the results, and we were quite pleased to have come 10th overall, which over a field of about 25 competitors wasn't too bad. I'd probably have to do that again. It was good fun. We'll be doing a bit more on the car next time. We kind of ran out of time with the engine flush. It took a bit longer than planned, so this is just a bit of an infill, and we'll be back in a couple of weeks' time. Thanks for watching. Bye.